Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to completely uninstall Steam on Windows 11. To do this, open Steam, click on Steam, then Settings. Here we need to click on Library, then Downloads, then Storage. And here we can see our storage. I only have one disk. And to completely uninstall, we simply select everything here, right? Then we click Delete. Or you can click on the three dots, click and view the folder. This folder will open up. Click on Steam and delete the Steam folder. But first you need to close Steam itself and delete this folder. There. The second way is to go to Apps or just go to Settings and open Applications. Here are the installed applications. Here we type in Steam. Click on the three dots and click the uninstall button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.